Understanding plumbing work. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases, plumbing work. Whether you're at home, in a building, or talking about a job, this term is quite common. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. Plumbing refers to the system of pipes, tanks, fittings, and other apparatus required for the water supply, heating, and sanitation in a building. It is a crucial part of modern infrastructure that ensures water comes in and out of our homes and buildings safely. When we say plumbing work, we are talking about any task that involves installing, maintaining, or repairing the plumbing system. This can range from fixing a leaky faucet to installing a new bathroom in your house. The individuals who specialize in this field are known as plumbers. They are skilled professionals who are trained to work on various plumbing tasks. It's a profession that requires both knowledge and practical skills. To better understand, let's see how it's used in sentences. The kitchen sink is leaking. We need to get some plumbing work done. She hired a plumber for the plumbing work required in the new office. And there you have it. Plumbing work is all about keeping our water systems running smoothly. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject for you. Remember, every phrase is a new opportunity to enhance your English. Keep learning, and see you next time.